Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best Adaptils for dogs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Adaptil Dog Calming Pheromone. We have used this product for our dog during thunderstorms and fireworks, and it has made a noticeable difference in her behavior. The Adaptil Calm Home Diffuser Kit provides comforting messages that help dogs feel calm and relaxed in stressful situations. The pheromones are odorless and only perceived by dogs, providing a strong signal of security and comfort. The refill includes one vial that lasts up to 30 days. To maximize effectiveness, you should replace the refill once a month and the diffuser every 6 months. We plugged the diffuser in the room where our dog spends the most time, and it covered the area well. Overall, we would highly recommend the Adaptil Dog Calming Pheromone refill to any dog owner looking for a natural way to help their dog feel calmer and more relaxed in stressful situations. Moving on at number 4, we have the Adaptil Dog Calming Pheromone Diffuser 30-Day Starter Kit. We've used the Adaptil Dog Calming Pheromone Diffuser in our home for several months and have noticed a significant reduction in our dog's anxiety and stress-related behaviors. The diffuser is easy to use and covers a large area, making it ideal for our open-concept living space. We appreciate that it's a drug-free solution and that it mimics natural pheromones to help our dog feel more relaxed and comfortable. While the product has been effective for us, we've seen some negative reviews from other customers who have reported that the diffuser doesn't work or that it leaks. Additionally, the product may not be effective for all dogs, so it's important to monitor your pet's behavior to determine if it's working for them. Overall, we would recommend the Adaptil Dog Calming Pheromone Diffuser to anyone looking for a drug-free solution to help calm their anxious dog. It's easy to use, effective, and can make a big difference in your pet's quality of life. At number 3, we have the Adaptil Calming Pheromone Collar for dogs, medium, large. We recently tried the Adaptil Calming Pheromone Collar on our dog during a thunderstorm. We were impressed with how quickly it seemed to calm her down. She stopped pacing and panting and was able to relax. We also noticed that she seemed more focused during training sessions while wearing the collar. However, we did find that the collar needed to be replaced every 4 weeks for maximum effectiveness, which can become costly over time. Additionally, we had to remove the collar during grooming and bathing, which was a bit of a hassle. Overall, we would recommend the Adaptil Calming Pheromone Collar to dog owners looking for a drug-free solution to help their dogs feel calm and relaxed during stressful situations. Just keep in mind that it may not work for all dogs, and the collar needs to be replaced every 4 weeks for maximum effectiveness. At number 2, we have the Adaptil Calming Pheromone Collar for dogs, small. We recently tried the Adaptil Calming Pheromone Collar for dogs, small on our anxious dog during a thunderstorm. We were impressed with how quickly he calmed down and stopped shaking. The collar was easy to put on and lasted the full 30 days. However, we did notice that the collar needed to be removed during grooming and bathing, which could be inconvenient for some pet owners. Overall, we recommend the Adaptil Calming Pheromone Collar for dogs, small to pet owners looking for a drug-free solution to help calm their furry friend during stressful situations. And finally at number 1, we have the ThunderEase Dog Calming Pheromone Diffuser Kit. We have personally used ThunderEase for our dog, and we have noticed a significant improvement in his behavior. He used to bark excessively and chew on furniture when left alone, but after using ThunderEase, he has become much calmer and less anxious. The ThunderEase diffuser is easy to use. Simply plug it in the room where your dog spends the most time. The diffuser releases pheromones that mimic a mother's natural nursing pheromones, which help dogs feel safer, calmer, and less stressed. While ThunderEase may not work for all dogs, it is definitely worth a try if you are looking for a safe and drug-free way to calm your furry friend. With over 90% effectiveness, ThunderEase is a vet-recommended solution that can help reduce anxiety and unwanted behavior in dogs. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon